Dem truly talk am say the evil people go gather but if the gathering no be God own, the way dem go take scatter, even dem no go know. Una see when all these prophets dey come out one by one, all these fake prophets dey come out come dey talk say Regina Daniel should return back to her husband is the best thing that has ever happened to her, e.g. Pastor Abel dem. Una remember when that one come out na come prophesy say make Regina Daniel return back to her husband, say the man no be as Regina Daniel take paint am to be. God show am say God say this, God say that. My people, even though Regina Daniel now don realize herself, don dey underground after her last encounter with Pastor Jerry Eze, and they gave her one or two prayer requests, tell her what to do, fasting wey she go do, and so on and so forth. So she don dey on a low, dey try to work on how she go take better herself and also dey closer to her God, instead of hearing all these prophets dem wey some of dem dey don already buy dem over. Wetin dem no see, dem go talk say God send dem and dem see am. Now on this particular day, Pastor Odumeje Agaba, Odumeje nnukwu mmụọ, Anamangwuri Ngwuri, Anamangwuri Nsala, Odumeje, na him and Ipa come dey drag me, I drag you. And Ipa no know, talk say this one na Opito Cheka. Im be liquid metal. Im get the Indaboski. E get am anyhow wey you take want am, im dey very much available. And im no mind any dragging wey you want make una drag una sef, in as much as say im know say e dey on his right. The moment wey Mama Regina Daniel go the church, go for prayer section, only God know who come tell Ipa say Mama Regina Daniel go that church, and who come tell am say Odumeje see one or two prophecy on top of Regina Daniel head, telling her to be extra careful about people around her. E no mention Ipa name o. E no mention Ipa name o. That's why they say guilty conscience na im dey wan kpai Ipa so. Clear conscience, they say, fears no accusation. In as much as say they dey try to shy away from the drama wey dey for ground, im ma know talk say im hand no clean. Now e no mention Ipa name. E give Mama Regina Daniel the prophecy, saying that Mama Regina should go and pray for her daughter non-stop, and that the daughter should be very careful of people around her. Say im know wetin im see, and e dey very clear that she should be very careful as well. She should protect her own. Mama Regina Daniel too come add +1 +2, wey give her the numbers wey she want, because you know say for her own church too, White Garment Church wey she go last time, na the same thing they also tell her. Her own say they even tell her for there say Regina Daniel na her breadwinner, make she no allow anybody come close the bakery for her, make she no allow anybody touch her breadwinner. E get why. Anything wey she fit do to protect her breadwinner, make she do am. Wey make she start dey follow Regina Daniel anywhere wey Regina Daniel go, unless the day wey be say she no dey around, na im she no dey follow Regina Daniel. But any day wey she dey around, no wakama wey Regina Daniel dey go wey she no dey follow her, because they say na he heaven help those who help themselves. Na who protect himself na im God go protect. Who secure himself na im God go secure. So she no wan take chances, even though na God na im get overall power, na im dey see, and even the most secret places na im dey see them. But still you need to hold yourself, make you no lose guard, because if you try am, they go just kpai you throway for nothing. God no go let us see untimely kpaing, and no evil, no weapon formed against us go ever prosper. They go try, but they will continue to fail, because the gathering no be God own, definitely e go scatter. So as Odumeje come see the prophecy, whether na person wey dey the church or na people wey e don tell or something, na only God na im know. Make you know talk say when dat girl dey talk am say Ipa dey send people to follow her up and down, people dey talk say she don take one or two, say the druggy wey she dey take e don climb her head, she no know wetin she dey talk, kolomentus don come. Whereas she was not kolomentus, she knows what she was saying and she see am very very clear before she talk am, but people no wan believe. Now na e don dey clear for people side say indeed Ipa dey send people to follow dis girl, and wetin you go stand to gain? Why doing all of those things? Why do you want to put fear in her heart? Why do you want to intimidate her with your powers and everything? Shebi to marry come become by force again. Now dem come allege say after im don see the prophecy tell Mama Regina Daniel, e no call Ipa name. People wey come go tell Ipa, whether dem go tell am say, or because im know say im hand no clean or whatever, na only God na im know. The next service na im dey say Ipa come send people come dat church. Wetin happen? Wetin happen? Dem tell usher say dem wan see Ipa, according to the information. Say dem wan see Ipa, dem wan see Odumeje. Dem get one or two wey dem wan talk to am with, as in somebody send dem to am, and dey say e go soon minister, e go soon climb altar. Dey say it's very urgent. Na so dem go call Odumeje come, the liquid metal himself, the Opito checker. When im come, na im dem come talk say person wey send dem say make dem call lamb once dey see Odumeje. Odumeje come say okay. As dem call, hold and behold, na Ipa. E come say na Ned Nwoko dey talk, Senator Ned Nwoko. Na im Odumeje, you know say normally e go wan pronounce your name in a way wey be say e go dey funny and e go suit himself. Na im come say e call the name finish, even im bouncers wey follow am come and even the people wey dem send messenger and messengee, all of dem burst laugh. Na im come say okay. Dem say make im hold phone. He say no, im no go hold phone. Say make dem hold am, make dem continue dey talk, im dey hear. Na so Ipa come talk say that he called because no be say im no go fit get Odumeje number, no be say im no go fit call am directly, but he want people to bear him witness that he's warning him for the very last time that he should stop using his name to do prophecy for Regina Daniel. Say im know talk say all the prophecy na fake, Odumeje no see anything, but because he just want to validate himself, make himself dey important, so that e go be like say im know wetin im dey do, whereas e no know wetin im dey do. Make im dey very very careful with him, so that wetin happen before no go repeat itself. Say because im hear the nonsense prophecy wey im prophesy for Regina Daniel, and as such he is not comfortable and he is not happy, that he should climb that pulpit back and prophesy, or make him call Mama Regina Daniel, tell her say he no see anything like that. Now Odumeje say the last time I checked, I saw what God told me. God sent me a message and I delivered it as God take talk am. I no mention your name. I never called your name. So you now calling me shows that your hands e no clean. Na you go dey extra careful to avoid the wrath of God, because if you no careful, you go later use your hand pack whatever it is wey you don put for that girl body, and by that time e go too late for you, because e go be totally your end. E never reach anywhere now, you don dey feel am. Be careful with that girl. Na child of grace. Avoid her to avoid your doom. Na im dey say Ipa say na him wey Odumeje dey talk to like this. He say you called, I never called you. I never mention your name for once. You want to hear me talk, and I am ready to take you to anywhere you want us to go. Because Ipa tell am say make him prove where God take tell am say make Regina Daniel dey careful, make she dis, make she dat, make she dis. Say im just dey incite, e dey try to put asunder for wetin God no put together. Say im want scatter the dis thing the more. If im no fit arrange am, make im comot hand. Na im come talk say no be im bin join dem for holy matrimony and dem no do church wedding. So why im go come be the one wey go come join dem? Say im no fit join dem and im no fit scatter dem. Say and that is why im no dey chook mouth anyhow for marriage matter. Any marriage wey scatter, im dey hardly chook mouth. Im dey careful with his utterances so that dem no go come settle, use im name take settle. But for the fact say e no mention Ipa name and Ipa carry the thing for head shows that his hands are not clean, that he should go and repent and sin no more, so that the wrath of God no go bounce on him head. And so he take waka, leave the phone for those people hand. Dem come dey call am, come o. He say im get ministration. That one na im dey am very very important. No be all these things wey Ipa come call am dey tell am like this o. Say and make Ipa do im worst, because you know say im tell am say if im no comot im hand for Regina Daniel matter with am, say im go show am say im be Ipa, im be Ned Nwoko aka Chinedu wey funkinize im name. Na im Odumeje come tell am say make im go ahead, make we see, make dem see where their power go carry dem reach, because he never mentioned his name, and that his God na im go scatter every evil plans wey dey come from that end. Then those guys na so dey take cut the call. Odumeje waka comot. Now the question is, why im come dey follow any prophet wey dey talk good, wey want the betterment of Regina Daniel? E no want am. But you see the one wey go talk say make Regina Daniel return back to her husband, make she go respect am, say na she dey disrespect am, she dey do this, she dey do that. She's tired with the marriage. There is so many, if she wants them to come together, there are so many ways she can do it. No be pride, make dem comot pride aside. But if you see prophecy wey dey prophet wey dey talk all those, wey dey give that kind of prophecy, you no dey go after them. But anyone wey tell Regina Daniel say make she dey extra careful, na that one na im be the koko. Na that one dey be im major problem. That one dey give am a thing of concern, dey give am goosebump. E no wan hear am. Now I like as Odumeje take tell am say if he no go repent and wash his hands off Regina Daniel matter, na she go later consume am. Because make it make sense, why is her own case different? I remember when this quarrel first begin, you go Arise TV, go talk am say you pity for man wey go marry one wife. E just be like say the man stand on one leg. Say thank God for you, you are a polygamous man, you get plenty wife, you get plenty leg to stand on. How come this very one wey come leave you, e come be like say na the crutches wey you carry, your leg don kukuma cut, now you no fit even stand, not to come talk of say you wan do things on your own. Why? Is Regina Daniel the air that you breathe? Or because of say true na she hold the star, you wan use am take shine? You wan use am for your political gain? Or what could be that thing that you have seen in Regina Daniel that you cannot see in other wives, for you to use them and shine your shine and leave the innocent girl alone and stop pursuing her up and down? According to that message, he should leave her alone. Else, na the beginning of im downfall be that. And it is what it is. There's no two ways about it. If he say he no go leave am, he go later collect, because you cannot play with child of grace. You cannot toy with he that God has decided to bless. He wey God never ready to punish, you no go fit punish am by force. Na im be this one so. My people, na the matter be this o. Odumeje say make him go ahead, do whatever he feel like to do. Imagine say you leave Abuja, dey go Anambra State, dey go dey find wetin no loss, all in the name of say you wan prove a point, make everybody turn im back on her so that you go happy. Nawa o, make God no allow us carry spiritual husband come real life o. E get why. because this one e even don pass spiritual husband. Abi my people, what do you guys think? Make una come, make we interact for the comment section. Give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share like for more like minds and more recommendation. And remember your humble girl Gifted Gist. I'm dey bring una latest. See you guys in my next upload. Bye.